When in Italy, ice cream in the central plaza of Padua. There's Conor here in Italy. Quick one. Just been running a leadership program, Psychology of Leadership, with 60 leaders here in Padua. This is the Villa Ottoboni on the outskirts of Padua in Italy. And one of the lessons here today comes from the statement, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." And what I was speaking with the group about was that the problem is that next to the apple is a donut. And today you go down, there's the apple, there's the donut. And if today you eat the donut instead of the apple, it doesn't make any difference to your life, to your waistline. If every day this week you eat the donut instead of the apple, it doesn't make any difference. But if for 10 years you choose the donut instead of the apple, it really has an impact on your life. And what a leader does, sometimes are little things, just a word of gratitude, a thank you, letting people know what the vision is. If you don't do them today, no one will pull you up to say, hey, you didn't thank us today, you didn't share the vision, you didn't communicate the mission today. But over the course of 10 years, the absence of these little things really makes a difference. So a message here, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It's the little tiny things of a smile, a thank you letter, taking a moment to ask people how they're doing, let them know how important they are, day after day, that will really make a difference 10 years from now in what you've achieved in your leadership and the impact you've had on others and how you've inspired them to give the best of themselves. So have a great week. Conor here in Italy, outskirts of Padua. Thank you for your comments, subscribes, likes. Look forward to you joining the community and sharing many ideas. Have a good one.